Knots this afternoon. Wind waves 1 to 2 feet. Mixed swell northwest 2 to 4 feet at 13 seconds and south 2 to 3 feet at 16 seconds. 45 to 55. Sunday and Sunday night, partly cloudy. Highs 55 to 85. Lows 50 to 55. Monday and Monday night, partly cloudy. Highs 55 to 80. Lows 50 to 55. Tuesday and Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Highs 55 to 80. Lows 50 to 55. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, WZ2504, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from on top of Sonoma Mountain. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located in Monterey, California, and serves the North Bay counties of Marin, Sonoma, and Napa, as well as the coastal waters from Point Arena to Pigeon Point, including San Francisco Bay. Local temperature reports around San Francisco Bay for 11 a.m. Downtown San Francisco was 57 degrees. Oakland Museum was 59 degrees. Redwood City was 62 degrees. These are the 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for the San Francisco and Monterey Bay areas on Tuesday, May 30th. 4 to 6 feet. Northwest swell 2 to 3 feet and south up to 2 feet. For Saturday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Wind waves 4 to 5 feet. Northwest swell 2 to 4 feet and south up to 2 feet. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KDX 54, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz from the top Big Rock Ridge. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located in Monterey, California, and serves the coastal marine waters, including San Francisco, Suisun Bay, and the West Delta. Local temperature reports around San Francisco Bay for 11 a.m. Downtown San Francisco was 57 degrees. Oakland Museum was 59 degrees. Redwood City was 62 degrees. These are the 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for the San Francisco and Monterey Bay areas on Tuesday, May 30th. At San Francisco Airport, it was partly sunny, temperature 63, dew point 49, relative humidity 60%, southwest wind at 6 miles an hour, pressure 29.98 inches and steady. At Oakland Airport, it was partly sunny, temperature 63, dew point 49, relative humidity 60%, west wind at 10 miles an hour, pressure 29.99 inches and steady. At San Jose Airport, it was partly sunny, temperature 65, dew point 49, relative humidity 56%, northwest wind at 3 miles an hour, pressure 29.97 inches and falling. At Santa Rosa, it was cloudy, temperature 60, pressure 29.98 and steady. At Concord, it was sunny, temperature 64, west wind at 12. At Livermore, it was mostly sunny, temperature 64, west wind at 7. At Monterey, it was cloudy, temperature 58, north wind at 7, pressure 30.01 and rising. At Salinas, it was cloudy, temperature 64, dew point 49, relative humidity 57%, northwest wind at 8. Here are some observations around California and western Nevada. At Sacramento, it was sunny, with a temperature of 67. At Reno, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 66. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 63 at Los Angeles, 61 at Truckee, and 59 at Blue Canyon. At San Diego, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 64. Sunrise, sunset, and tidal information for the San Francisco Bay area for Tuesday, May 30th. The sunrise today, 5:51 a.m. The sunset tonight, 8:23 p.m. Tidal data at the Golden Gate for today. Low tide, 03:04 a.m. at 1.25 feet. High tide, 8:58 a.m. at 3.74 feet. Low tide, 2:21 p.m. at 1.46 feet. High tide, 09:07 p.m. at 5.49 feet. Here are the buoy observations for 11 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At offshore buoy 6, winds north at 12 knots, pressure 1,027.2 millibars, swell 6 feet every 11 seconds. At offshore buoy 59, winds north 16 knots, water temperature 57, pressure 1,021.6 millibars, seas 7 feet every 11 seconds. At Point Arena buoy, wind southeast 2 knots, water temperature 52, pressure 1,015.7 millibars, seas 5 feet every 11 seconds. At Bodega Bay buoy, winds west 4 knots, water temperature 54, pressure 1,016.0 millibars, seas 3 feet every 16 seconds. At Point Reyes Wave Rider buoy, water temperature 53, seas 5 feet every 17 seconds. At San Francisco Bar buoy, water temperature 57, seas 4 feet every 17 seconds. At San Francisco buoy, winds northwest 6 knots, water temperature 56, pressure 1,016.8 millibars, seas 4 feet every 16 seconds. At Lovers Point Wave Rider buoy in Monterey Bay, water temperature 54, seas 2 feet every 11 seconds. At Monterey Bay buoy, wind south 4 knots, water temperature 56, pressure 1,016.7 millibars, seas 5 feet every 16 seconds. At Point Sur, Wave Rider buoy, water temperature 55, seas 6 feet every 15 seconds. At Cape San Martin buoy, wind southeast 2 knots, water temperature 57, pressure 1,015.4 millibars. Seas 5 feet every 16 seconds. Here are the coastal observations for 11 a.m. Wind speed is in knots.